Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have some happy mail, and this comes from OVW, or One Virtuous Woman. Her name is Marcelle. So let's open it up and see what I got. So this is kind of exciting. I love, love, love her tissue paper. So her tissue paper has OVW all over it. There it is. Look at that. Isn't that great? So I love her tissue paper, I'm just saying. And it's got these cards, OVW crafts. And it's got Proverbs 31 on it. Let me get that up there. And that's where you can reach her. And her Etsy, her IG, and her YouTube. And it tells you a little bit about it. It tells you all about it. And then there's one more, and it's OVW. And a little thank you. And ways to find her. And then we have a box. Let me get the tape. And let's open her up. And there it is. Okay, so in the box, there's a card. Oh, that's beautiful. And, oh, here it is. Resin, hook, customized for you. And there it is. And here is the hook I got. And this is not doing it any justice. And it's beautiful. It's an eye hook. And it's in green. And I'm telling you, my camera is not doing this thing any justice. And the way it looks to me is it's got like a lightning bolt running up the hook. See that? And it's gold. And it is stunning. It is absolutely beautiful. I mean, hold that up there. Come on, camera, come in. Don't look at me. But you can see the bolt. Let me rest it on my finger. Get the camera off me. I'm trying to get my head out of there. And it goes around. It is so beautiful. I absolutely am in love with this hook. The color is amazing. And it is gorgeous. And there's the hook. It is stunning. I love it, Marcel. And guess what? I can use it. I'm in love with this eye hook. So, check out One Virtuous Woman on YouTube. I'm going to drop her link down below. And this, it's smooth. And I'm going to be able to use this. It is stunning. Check her out. Check out her Etsy shop. Check out her YouTube channel. She does some praying and some teaching of the Bible. Sells her crafts, does crafts on YouTube. She is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So, check out One Virtuous Woman, guys. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.